pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on the chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is Nifty on our daily time frame, and these are the lines we drew yesterday. It's still taking support on top of that level and the fair value gap, the liquidity that we were referring to. So yesterday's analysis was that this is like buy side liquidity in this area. So once this is exhausted, then we know where Nifty will go. Will the buyers will defeat the sellers, or the sellers will overwhelm the buyers? So I think Nifty is taking a pause for the official announcement of the terms of the trade agreement between India and US, and that's when perhaps the big move will happen. As usual, let's just go and delete all the lines that we drew yesterday and start afresh from the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame, Nifty is bullish, no change in that, because this low has not been validated. This is the base set by the buyers, and this was the previous base, and a much higher base was set by the buyers, and until that the August low is invalidated, the monthly bias is bullish, and that low is 24337.5. Let me draw it in a thicker line. And the next one, the most important level, the big sellers, is previous ATH. That's all. On a monthly time frame, those are the only two important levels. Going on a weekly time frame, there's nothing much I personally can say here. There's no buyers that I can deduce of. There is a flat top here. If that is, yes, that is indeed a flat top. Let's see if sellers will bring it below this flat top, and that's it. I can say it tomorrow. We'll know this tomorrow. So that was my phone ringing. So I can just put a line here and see if this level is respected. I'm just putting it there to see if this is being respected, because flat tops are big sellers. Let's see if the sellers here are strong enough to drag it all the way down. Going to the daily time frame, I had no bias there, but right now the daily time frame has turned bullish, because this is a low and this is a higher low that's been created. So on a day candle has turned bullish. So when I come to the day candle, now this line looks like a support now. We'll decide it tomorrow, because the weekly candle gets closed tomorrow. So this, I'll just turn this yellow, because I do not know if there's on a weekly time frame it looks like a resistance, on a daily it looks like support. So okay, white would be good enough, so I'm just keeping it white. I do not know. Tomorrow I'll know with the close of tomorrow's candle. Any other important levels? Nothing. Yeah, there's a fair value gap that's here that we have talked about. This is a fair value gap that we talked about. That still exists. There's another one that's formed now. Again, there are confluence of two fair value gaps, bullish fair value gaps. It should act as a good support. Now it looks like this level is going to be a support. Let's see, it's just a matter of time frame and point of view. Did I put a day is back bullish? Yes, that's right. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, this is a swing high, and this is the next swing high, and this is a swing low, and this is the next swing low. So it's higher low and lower high. So it's a confusing signal. So now we go, as usual, we go by the buyer seller analysis. As you can see, it all started here. From here, the buyers bought the market so hard that it went all the way up. The sellers bought it down till here, and then here the buyers were there. Okay, this is the point where the buyers came in, and here the sellers came much closer and sold off here, and this is when here the buyers are bought. So we need to wait for the next candle. So right now it is bearish. Right now it is bearish. Close call, but it is bearish. Going to the hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame now, it was bullish yesterday. It's not bullish anymore. So this is a high and this is another high. So this is a low, that low was taken out. So this is bearish, outright bearish. So I believe I was not wrong about the bearish bias on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. Once again, I believe the market will wait for the proper announcement of the terms of the Indo-US trade treaty. Until then, it may just consolidate within a range. That's it. I'm not a certified analyst, so whatever I said here is only for educational purpose. Thank you.